Hi friends, in today's session let us see climate of our Karnataka. Before going to start now let us see where is our Karnataka in world map. Our India is situated in southern part of Asian continent. Here is our Karnataka, it is situated in southwestern part of our peninsular region of India. Now let us start climate. Karnataka has tropical monsoon climate. The main characteristics of this climate hot and moist in summer days and cool and dry in winter days. But there is a diversity in climate of our Karnataka. This is the main reason for the diversity or influence of the geographical location, and that cause I have already shows that where is our Karnataka located in the world map. Now let us move on. Ocean, physical features, vegetation and monsoon winds. Hence the annual temperature distribution of a rain are not same in all over the state. Now let's move on climate season. We can classify the climate of Karnataka over the period of 1 year. Now let's start. Our first season is a summer season. It is start from March and ends to May. The rain. Our second season is a rainy season. It start from June to September and ends in September. Our third season is the period of retreating monsoon season. It starts from October and ends from November. Our fourth season is the winter season. It starts from December and ends with February. Now let us see one by one. Our first season is a summer season. During this season, it is a very hot, dry, and sultry. After March the temperature rises uniformly all over the state and reaches the maximum during April and May. The Raichur recorded the temperature of 45.6 degrees Celsius, and it is the hottest place in our Karnataka. The temperature is high even in other districts of our Karnataka. In northern median, in general, the whole of Karnataka experienced a hot climatical condition during at this time. At this time means a summer season. The humidity is lower in the northern median than the southern median. In the summer, due to the great evaporation, the rain bearing clouds are produced and they bring occasional rain along with the lightning and thunder. The hailstones was fall some places. It is generally taken place for a short time during afternoon. Since those showers enable the flowering of coffee plants, they are called as a cherry blossoms. Since they help the mango crop, they are also called as a mango shower. About the 7% of annual rainfalls occurs in this season. Now let us see our second season is the rainy season. This is also known as the season of southwestern monsoon winds. The western Ghats cheeks and moisture laden. The winds are blowing from the Arabian Sea. They result in a heavy rain. As it moves eastward, that amount of the rainfall gets reduced. This is because the eastern median is in the rain shadow area. Agumbe is an area of heavy rainfall, hence it is called as a Chirapunji of South India. Bhagamandala and Hulikal are the other places of heavy rainfall in our Karnataka. Nayakanahatti near Chalkere in Chitradurga district, it has recorded the lowest rainfall during this season. The entire state, the temperature is very high. As a result, the relative humidity is very high. There is a clouds atmosphere throughout. During this season, the Karnataka receives about 80% of the rainfall. It helps with the cultivation of a kharif crop. Now let us move on. Our third season is the period of a retreating monsoon. This is also called as a northeastern monsoon season. Due to the decreasing in temperature and increasing in pressure, the wind blows from the northeast to north southwest. The wind are dry because they blows from the land. The wind which blows from the Bay of Bengal, it brings a little rain to the district of Southern Median. Besides, due to the cyclone coming from the Bay of Bengal during the November and December time, the rain occurs during this season. The state receives about 12% of the annual rainfall in this period. The weather condition is uncertain on that time. On that time means the period of a rotating monsoon. Now let's move on. Our fourth season is the winter season. During this season, the temperature and humidity and rainfall are very low. The sky is clear and the average temperature is between the 25 degree to 27 degrees Celsius. January is the month which recorded the lowest temperature in our Karnataka. This is called as a tourist month of our state. The minimum temperature recorded in Belgavi district, that is 6.7 degrees Celsius. There is a low temperature in other northern districts like Vijay, for example, Vijaypura, Kalburgi, Bidar. Rainfall during the winter is a minimum. Only 1% of the total rainfall is received during this time. During this time means winter season. There is a heavy fog occasionally earlier in the morning time. Now let us move on. Distribution of rainfall in our Karnataka. The Malnad and coastal plain receive the heavy rainfall and the eastern median are the area of low rainfall, and often the drought and floods occurs due to the uneven and uncertain rainfall. Those are all about the climate and seasons of our Karnataka. If you have any queries related to this, you can tell in the comment box. Thank you for watching this.